Hello my friend, today I show you in this video how to find high authority expert domain for SEO post. I hope everyone will be support me to subscribe and like and leaving a comment to encourage me to make more video. Let's go. And first I let all domain in the description or comment. In first tip, you go to expertdomain.net and you go to sign up and you add your username, password, repeat your password, email and sign up for free. And you are going to login your username and password and login and your this website should send you your code in your email. Go to your email and copy this numbers and we go to type this number here and verify code. And here we go. And here you should to enter what niche you want to for your domain name, like job, travel, crypto, AI. Example like job. We will search about this and search, and here you go to filter and you go for only a viable domain, and here only characters, and we go to additional for domain.com, .net, .org, .biz, and apply for filters. Sorry, apply for filters. We will to click in this mrgr this, and you will type here for copy 25 domain like this, and we go to here and type Ctrl V, and we will to copy 5 domain name. Okay, and we go to this link. I will list this website in commenter or in description. Check this domain name here and check authority. No. Okay, again. I think I will to refresh this page. Okay, check authority. Yeah, this this domain names. Here we go. This domain is domain authority 9, domain page authority 22. I think this is good. And search again for 5. You should to say this spam score 0 is good. Check authority again. This high authority. Oh, this I think is good. Cowboy job vacancy. I think this is good. I check again for another website. Check again. This is good search, but domain authority. I think this is too good. 11 is good. 0 spam score, but I need to find like 20, and domain authority it's more fine, more good. Sorry about my language is not good. Check again. This is high spam score. I will check again. This is good, but more high authority. I will go to filter again. Filter again, and I go to no, and comma here, and this character I check. Job is three keywords, three to maybe 9 is good. Short domain name. I don't want chip here again, and this SEO. I copy these links, and again I chip here. You should to repeat this when you find your what you search about. I see what's happened here. I think is more high. I think this is good. This is good. I chose another like crypto crypto, and I search about this. uh, I search about crypto, and I click here. I click again. I think here. Okay, copy and copy this. Search again. I think this is good. If you find your domain name like this, you go to check domain authority. I list all this link in description. This website SEO checker, and check this here. This like this, and check again. Yeah, I see this spam score. Backlink 15. I think this is domain very good. I go to another website to check all this website before is expert. You paste your link here and click enter, and here we check how's is look. I check at this. I see how is look this domain before. She's look like this. Where this? Okay. Maybe I search about car like this. Car. And copy this link. Control V and copy this. Go again in this link, in this website, check authority. You should to repeat when you find your what you search about. You see this domain, I think 7 is good. I search again about this. Okay, check authority. This but high spam score. Don't choose a website, a domain name like he's have more spam score. He is not good. Your website she's not will friendly with Google to rank your website. Check again authority. This is not good. Okay, I told you you will search and search and search when you find this good website. I think this is not good. You can go again to show filter and go to SEO and go there Wikipedia, and your choice might be 10 link to 100. You can choose here rank or keyword or traffic. You can choose what you want here like this. This links is have 10 or more for links Wikipedia. If you have a LinkedIn with Wikipedia, you will have more authority of these links. I will check how much authority have this link. Oh, this 15, but spam score is high. I think this website is good, but don't, if you find a high domain name and you find the spam score, don't choose this. I let you are these links for choice your website, and you can when you create this when you choose a domain name and create, I you go, I let a video before in my channel for AdSense approval your website. I approve three domain name in the 3 days or 2 days. It's very fast this script. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope let subscribe and like, and I see you in another video.